So let's speak the honest truth about CEI. Many of you just bought CEI an all-time high around the 3 and the 4 and right now holding and wishing the price go up. And still the price, even from the good news that we talked about in the last video, hopefully you saw it, regarding the shares bought by Big Whale. However, the price is still going down. We're gonna discuss what's going on, what you should do and what you should never do the next time, so you don't have to be in the same situation that we have with CEI right now. So let's get right to it and discuss the honest truth. A lot of people don't talk about it, but here we just talk about the honest truth and straight to information and the strategy as a insider do usually in this down market. So let's talk about the technical, because this is the only thing that we could control. Fundamental is okay, however, I use fundamental with technical to have more precision, more high probability. It's like in science, guys. So if you have just observable data, this is not counted in science. You have to have probability, numbers. So here we're gonna talk about the technical and why the price went down again. First, let's go in for our chart. And hopefully you use the same charting as me. This is trading view, and you have to go in for our chart. So I will make it clear as possible to follow me and to have the technical level as me, so you could hunt with me, okay? Because we got a lot of question on Patreon from my hunters. Tell me like at what for chart I'm using, and like to be easier for you to follow me. So hopefully that is easier right now and more obvious. If you have any question regarding deliver my information, if something you didn't understand, just comment in section below. I will be more clear and give you the right answer. However, let's dive right in. We have the resistance, which is the $1.38. We talked about it, and guess what happened precisely? We have kind of like almost 5 candle closing below 4-hour candle. It's mean like almost 3 days below our resistance, which is the $1.38. So this now confirmed is really important resistant area. And again, if we go in a 1-hour chart, because every chart have kind of story to tell. So for this chart, you see we're right now below this our exponential average, and this right now the volume is dropping. So right now we're gonna go to the technical level, which is the draw we draw before, which is above the $1.20. This is really important level, and this time there's high probability chance that we're gonna break it to test this ascending line that we draw before. As we said, this is really important ascending line to confirm that we are still in up trend market, okay? Because in the general trend that we have right now is a downtrending market. However, we're still doing higher lows, as I said. So right now we need to do this. Even if we don't hold the $1.20, the last should be at least around this area, $1.18, $1.20, and bounce from this ascending line in order to test this time the $1.38. And as I said, the $1.38 right now is a significant value, because if the next time we overcome it, we're gonna see the $1.84. So I'm gonna talk about the most important thing, which is how you could save yourself from buying at the top and you get cut. This is kind of the major important thing you have to learn in order to never have this same scenario happen again and again and again, because this recurring mistake for new trader. So let's just see the chart again and try to learn something. So here we have kind of, let me just make it simple for you. And here, okay. So the first thing, when you see this chart, what you see? Yes, you're right, is the price is bumping, and the price you think is like it's gonna go to the $10, $20, because you see the best prices. You see here around here it was around the 50 cent. Then you just calculate, and you get caught up in the bias, which is you think the price will go continue forever. And when you get in, you don't have objective to take profit. In trading is kind of battle, okay? battle is mean a lot of people tell you $10, they take profit on 5. They don't tell you to take profit on 5 because they're gonna take the profit on 5, because if they tell you take a profit on 5 and they will take a profit on 5, the price will be triggered below, and with the sell-off will happen before, and they never actually profit. So I'm gonna try to tell you the truth that nobody tell you, because I'm trying to make you some money and change the game that's being played right now with insiders and a lot of YouTubers that don't tell the truth. I'm trying to be honest with you. So here, as I said, always when you get in the market, try to have a defined target, take a profit and away. So we have to trick our mind, primitive mind, which is getting in without any goal or any strategies. Let the market decide where you take your profit. Don't say 100% I will take my profit, because the market doesn't care about what you want. Okay, so here we draw our support and resistance. This is before you get in. You put resistance and support. So what's mean resistance? Is mean probable price rejection. So here you see we have a bit of price hold up, is mean there's a bit a testing area, and this is why it's resistant. You take a bit of profit. The price if it hold up, okay, let it go. Okay, let it go. And then we have a massive resistance area around the $1.38. You take a profit. The price hold up again, you load up. Okay, and you put protective loss here. Okay, then you just follow. You see, let's go with it. The price go up, hallelujah, you just take a profit and you secure your loss below this level. Okay, let me just do it here. Okay, we hold above the $2.25, you load up and you let the profit go and you take a profit on the way. And let's see, $2.25. Okay, let's go with the price. Perfect. $2.92. Perfect. This is the resistance. It's actually confirmed, and right now is the support. You get in again and let the profit go again. Look, then we gone until the $4. We talked about it. We said is the resistance. So what you do, you take a profit and you wait. Boom, we hit the support again. What you do, you take your profit and you put stop loss around the $2.81. And guess what happened next? Boom, you save yourself a lot of money because you put stop loss below the $2.98, which is around the $2.80. And we already talked about it. We did a video about it. We did again warning sign. A lot of hunters already sold around the $1.80 because we said the price will hit a major sell-off. Okay, so that's why always have a strategy. If you don't have a strategy, join us in Patreon in the comment section below. We can discuss and build one for you. We have even Discord channel. We have many things. You can check it in the link below and we can discuss this in more detail. As I said, be prepared, because if you're not prepared, the other trader, the other hunter will be prepared and take all the profit that you already made, because this is the market. If you did someone more prepared than you and have a strategy, he will take all the money that you made before. Okay, so it's a game of not the fittest but the smartest on the trading. Okay, so without further ado, hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next update.